How to start trading with no experience. New to trading? Confused by all the charts, candles, or jargon? Don't worry, you're not alone. Joining VIP indicators get you access to more than just smart trading tools. You get a step-by-step beginner course that teaches you exactly how to get started. But that's not all. You also get 24/7 alerts and updates in our VIP members-only Telegram group. We're talking real-time trading ideas, support, and weekly average profits of $2,850 plus, and on average, members make $390 plus per trade following the indicator signals. From opening your first chart to spotting your first trade, it's all covered. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with confidence, even as a beginner, click the link in the description below. You'll get the full trading course, the indicators, and access to VIP Telegram group, risk-free for 30 days. Learn, trade, and grow. Starting today, no experience needed.